What is going on, y'all? So, I haven't done like a vlog style video in about a jillion years. That's about to change though. We're gonna start doing weekly vlogs is the plan. We just got done with our workout. We did our morning meeting. It is coming down right now. We're about to record a podcast, but the power keeps going out because we got a freaking river in our front parking lot there. All this rain coming down, but Ellen's rocking it. She's getting all the orders ready to rumble. Greg is just sitting here wishing his triceps were as big as mine. Chip is getting the podcast set up as soon as the internet cooperates. And then because we keep losing the power, the guys in the kitchen ain't in the kitchen. They're in here just hanging out, partying it up. Ralph's probably about to eat a rotisserie chicken.
No, drinking coffee.
Coffee break time, all that good stuff. Crystal is actually on her way back right now. We're going to record a podcast with her too. But lots of things to talk about. I wanted to kind of bring you into the fold with like weekly vlogs set up. So get ready for what's to come. All right, we got some keto bricks going out the door. Greg is about to leave for the day, slacking. But yes, legs at 6.
Legs at 6. Leggies.
Quads and hamstrings. What do you think about me picking up the vlogging camera again?
Looks good.
You gonna be vlogging? You gonna get some footage?
Flogging?
Flogging?
Flogging and vlogging.
Let's see your legs. Let's see your quads.
Oh gosh.
Look at those quads. Look at those quads. They're gonna grow bigger tomorrow. Look at Bryce's quads. Look at that booty, that Asian booty.
Phone and my keys, you can't really,
Asian persuasion right here.
Something like that.
Well, hello. It's been a long time since my face has been on here. We are in the gym. I'm gonna get my workout on. Robert's gonna watch the kiddos for me so I can get a good workout in.
Can I film? Hi. I'm eating brick and water.
I'm eating brick and water. Awesome. Okay, here we go. On to my workout.
Texting, not working out.
I'm logging my workout actually.
Good morning, Keto Brick fans. I am filling in for Robert this morning because he is talking on the news about the upcoming competition.
Check it out, y'all. On the TV, on the news.
So, he will be here in a little while, but what do we have planned for the day? I think we're gonna
bang out.
Is it mocha?
Mocha?
Mocha.
Yep.
Mocha? Malt.
Mocha.
Mocha. Malt. Mocha.
Yeah.
Malt. All right, we're gonna bang out malt.
Yeah.
Bang it out and put it through the wrapper and probably get a little bit of footage of that. And that's really the main thing on the agenda. Ellen's got a bunch of orders, right? Yeah. We got your camera.
It's interesting that we still say footage, but there's no film involved.
There's Ralph,
Digitage.
Bryson, Ellen, Clancy, myself, and we're gonna get to it, guys. Have a great day. All right, guys, we're in the Keto Brick kitchen. We do our brick production, and the guys are busy back here doing a little packaging of Keto Brick. So I'm gonna show you what they are up to. How are they doing, guys?
Great. Doing good.
What are we making?
Chocolate malt.
Chocolate malt. So those pop out of the molds like that. I'm going to show you guys what they look like. They go onto our wrapping machine here. They go through and get wrapped and individually cut. They come out the other end where Bryson grabs them and throws a sticker on them. Can I see one of those, Bryson?
Yeah, man.
And there you have it. That is what our Keto Brick ends up looking like. Chocolate malt is on the agenda today. And we're not sure if this one's gonna come back, guys. This might be the last production run. We are not sure. We got a couple on the chopping block. Malt might be one of them. So if you like chocolate malt, you better let us know. Let us know, let us know.
All right, y'all, today's a little different. I did my cardio this morning, went to the gym in town, did some Stairmaster. I'm leaving the compound a little early because we got to take Diesel into Oklahoma because he's got to have surgery on basically his ACL. It's a TPLO surgery. So that's what we got going on there. We're about to load up and drive the 2 hours there. Right now, the crew is out here doing some yard work on the compound facilities this beautiful summer day. Ain't nothing better than a clean building with a clean exterior with freshly mowed grass. Makes my heart happy. Got the best crew in the world. What we got going on here? Show us what we got. What'd you draw?
A town.
It's a town?
Yeah.
Who else?
This is
Goliath, and then who's the other one?
David.
David and Goliath. I like it.
And a
buddy.
town.
I like it. All right, we just got to Oklahoma for old Diesel's appointment. How you doing, DC? You gonna be okay, buddy? You gonna have a good ACL surgery, a good TPLO surgery. Look at that little puppy dog. All right, be good for the doc, okay? I'm gonna miss you tonight, buddy boy. What is going on, y'all? We have got a bodybuilding competition this weekend, this Saturday. It's not my competition, it's my good friend Joe's competition, but we are going to be having a booth there. Greg has been chopping up samples, so we got keto brick samples, we got booth stuff getting ready to rock. That is all going to be at the show. I'm going to take the camera with me to the show. I'm going to be interviewing competitors there post-show. Should be good, but we will take y'all along for that ride. It is Thursday now. That is not till Saturday, but I wanted to give you a little teaser as to our prep work on what that would entail. Ellen, you are the lovely lady behind the Keto Brick emails.
Yes, I am.
On a percentage basis, how many are positive versus how many are negative?
Hands down, most of them are positive.
What is the most comical negative email you've gotten lately?
Want me to be honest? Is that a serious question?
Yeah, give it to me.
When people get mad at me when they buy a bunch of bricks and they don't like them or can't eat them and I can't refund them.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to refund a food product, huh?
Yeah, it is. And it makes me feel bad, but we're all
Nobody better not like you, Ellen. You're like a little angel. You're a
Wow.
sweet little angel wearing your Keto Brick shirt. You got your beautiful green eyes.
Yes.
You're just rocking it.
Yeah, well, thank you. Well, I love our customers.
We love you.
Definitely.
Okay, so we just picked up Diesel from the vet. Got his knee done. He did great. Surgery went well. Unfortunately, we found out that he actually needs his other knee done as well, and it's already looking like a small tear and a lot of inflammation in there, so that's unfortunate. But other than that, he did well. We're on our way home. He's not loving the vehicle. I wouldn't either, though. So we thought we'd just show you guys him.
Hey Diesel. Hi buddy. How you doing?
What do you think, Robert?
Diesel's such a good boy. I just hate that he's in so much pain. I hate that we have to get both knees operated on. Not a trivial surgery, not a trivial recovery, not a trivial expense. But we love our DC boy and he loves us. So we do what we do.
Home again. Jiggity jig.
Alright, y'all, total chaos. We are back at the house. The house is a mess. We're trying to cook dinner. Hazen's feeling sickly. Rigel just wants to play. He's trying to cook, but Rigel's idea of cooking is kind of crazy. Diesel is rocking the cone of shame. And he's just whining nonstop. There's his There's his ACL surgery knee, but he's just drugged up and not really knowing what to think about it all right now. But you're a good boy, DC. You're a good boy. One day at a time. Today's a little different. We got a lot going on today. We got Joe Wilson's bodybuilding show in a little bit, but right now I'm at the Lincoln High School about to do a workout. They had a lock-in last night, and they invited me to come out and put them through a workout. So we're about to kill some back attack. Get ready.
Husband Sean.
Come on, it's going on YouTube, man. Going on the gram. Get it. All right, y'all, we just got to the venue here for the Northwest Natural competition. Dropped off all the booth supplies. Greg and Megan are getting that set up now. About to go in there. Show starts at 10, and it is 9 o'clock.
Oh, Joe.
We got the keto break booth.
It's not set up yet, but we're working on it.
Getting there. That's Megan. That's who Greg's been cheating on me with.
Yep.
She's probably better looking than me. Yeah. Yesterday was the competition. Got back from that. I filmed some of it on my phone, but not a whole lot of it because I was doing competitor interviews and things like that. It is the next day. It is Sunday. Hazen's been sick, so we didn't go to church today. So Rigel and I are taking advantage of this break in the rain to mow because the grass is growing. So we got the mower, got the old truck. Got to jump start the mower with my little external battery, and we're about to mow. Isn't that right, Reggie? You got your Paw Patrol jammies on? All right, let's do it. All right, y'all, I'm about halfway through mowing for the day. Took a little break. Crystal had a few client calls, so I was watching the kiddos while she was doing that. Since Diesel's pretty much out of commission right now, can't really run around, means he can't really attack our chickens. So for the next 10 weeks, while he's basically in recovery mode, we're going to try and free range our chickens. So we just let those birds out of the coop. Let's see what we got cooking here. What do you think, Raj? Good. So we got 3 roosters, and one of them, that one, is honestly a little bit of a dick. Like, he's probably going to make it.
Using that word.
Not using that word?
No.
That rooster is a little punk. He is going to make his way into the stock pot for sure. The other 2, totally fine. But that one is no bueno. Crystal hates him.
Yep.
But
He spurred my foot.
we got about 20 birds. Is it 20? We had 27. I think we're down to like 20 now. We'll see how many we have now that we're free ranging them, but we'll see how they do. They've got some over there. We got a black Australorp rooster over there.
That one's my favorite.
Yeah, he's a sweetheart. But this guy, this goomer, he's gonna be the one that's in the stock pot.
For sure.
For sure. Yeah, go ahead and get it out now, buckaroo. The yard is mowed. Haven't weeded it yet, but the yard is mowed at least. I just got some pork tenderloin and pork loin roast pulled off the Traeger from the pigs that we had slaughtered a couple weekends back. So we're about to dine into that, and that will conclude this week's vlog. Again, let me know. Sorry, I'm kind of unsteady here. Let me show you these pork loins first. Ooh, look at those jokers. Those are gonna be tasty. What do you think, Reggie? You gonna eat all those?
Yeah.
You hungry? You shooing the flies away?
Yeah.
So, to recap, sorry, it's so dark. I'm probably gonna try and do like a weekly. Hey, that's good, buddy. A weekly vlog of sorts going forward as time and availability permits. Let me know if you like that idea. Obviously, I'll keep doing the educational stuff, the training stuff. The podcast, obviously, is my main thing. But I've missed not having like a lifestyle behind-the-scenes vlog style type content piece put out on a somewhat regular basis. So rather than doing the daily vlogs like I used to, Rigel, enough. I'm gonna try and just do a weekly vlog where we publish one of those roughly every week, just kind of like hashing out and recapping the week, because we'll just gather footage throughout the course of the week. So let me know if you like that idea. Let me know what you want to see, and we will see you next time. That's a lot of salt, Rigel.
We like salt up around
Look at
here.
that salt. Getting these electrolytes in. So this is the spread, ladies and gents. What do you think, babe?
Looks delicious to me.
Outdoor dinner, rounding out the weekend. Gotta love it.